Our support here on the European Bike Showroom here on the first floor of the New England Motorcycle Museum. This is the best floor. We've saved it for last. The Kaplan Cycles retail floor is on the third floor, and second floor is the museum. And check this out. Dean and DJ just put this absolutely freaking beautiful coat on this original 1880 rock maple floor. It was polyed before, but that was like 6 years ago and it was looking a little shabby. So they sanded it down and it came out freaking amazing. Dean's cutting in over there. Looking good, Dean.
Thank you.
Floor in here is beautifully sanded. We got the ramp beautifully. We made this out of reclaimed lumber that we used from other parts of the building. This ramp wasn't here, but we had to have a handicap ramp to make it to today's code. And the trick was to do it without messing up the original ambiance of the building. So we had to put those railings in. Massive investment in alarm system and cameras. This thing is wired to the nines because there's going to be millions of dollars in new bikes down here. So, yeah. So we got the new baseboard was put on. 2 brand new bathrooms here that got done. These are brand spanking new. We started this back in like January. This phase here, but it's we got all kinds of artwork we're going to put in here too. I've been collecting artwork. We took all of the artwork that was specific to brands like Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Honda, Harley, Buell. All that is being either taken down or bought up to the second or third floor where those bikes are going to be. This floor is the European floor. It'll have Ducati, Moto Guzzi, Aprilia, Gas, and Stark, all European brands. We're going to have a new floor installed here, a new wood floor. Willie's been here putting the magic on the concrete, and these are all the brand new Ducati store fixtures. Something like close to $150,000 in store fixtures and tile, and we invested in that's just in the Ducati area right here. We've got a bunch of new leather couches. Yeah, so the walls. These are going to have Ducati motor clothes hanging off of them. That's the new door for the dressing room. Ceilings got painted black. All new track lighting. All of the metal trim got painted gray. This is the Ducati gray. This is a big piece of Ducati artwork that's going on this wall right here, which is going to be really cool. And we ordered, I think it was $24,000 worth of motor clothes and helmets and jackets, all kinds of really cool Ducati store fixtures. Motor clothing. All motor clothing, t-shirts and sweatshirts and leather jackets, all kinds of cool stuff. And 15 grand worth of accessories, and just a major investment in. So when we open the store, it's going to look spectacular. Be stocked to the gills with Ducati motorcycles, parts and accessories. We finally got our motorcycle order in last night. Pretty much every model Ducati sells will be in stock and on display here. That's our parts counter going over there. Service check-in counter is going right here. Colin's making the magic happen with all the wiring. So stay tuned. It's coming out amazing. This is a 12,500 square foot first floor. It's a football field long. So probably one of the longest Ducati dealerships in the well, I don't know of a longer one. Maybe there is, but it's going to be something else. It's getting there.